Teka, tingnan ko. Oh, ayan guys, andito ako kasama ko yung aking dalawang anak. Ayan, Will you miss me in the night? Will your arms reach out to hold me tight and keep me in your dreams, in your heart, in your life? Okay, there's a traffic in here, but if I'm going to share with you some of my journey as a YouTuber, then at least I have shared something to you, to those who are planning to have a channel, their own channel. Then it's a good hobby. It's a good opportunity for you to strengthen or develop your self-confidence. Okay, that's it. Mwah. Hey mga ka-jewels, ang slim na
Siyempre,
namin.
dito
Feeling
naman, tinuloy
beautiful
ko na
ako
yung aking
dito.
pagsasayaw.
Alam nyo ba ang tawag
Kasi
dito?
nahiya na ako
People's
magsayaw doon,
Park.
no?
Ito ay
Dito ko na
oval
tinuloy,
na
oh,
paikot
healing
na.
traffic na uli.
Oo, aw.
Biyahe lang po tayo.
Let's get out.
Uwi ng Francisco Homes. Yan guys, ganito ang aming eksena dito sa San Jose del Monte. Thursday na po. Ay hindi, Miyerkules pa lang pala. Thursday bukas. So may 2 araw pa bago yung bakasyon. Ay, kailangan natin ng